Hello class 8th student, it's a part 15 chapter 8 science in which we read about the physical activities during the adolescence. What we done while performing so many physical activities in the phase of puberty. Boys and girls must take part in physical activities to maintain fitness. Both boys and girls, they have to take part in the physical activity to keeping fit. They must engage in outdoor activities such as brisk walking. Brisk means quick, fast walking, running, jogging, cycling and skipping. Skipping means jumping. Playing team games such as football, cricket and volleyball also means the team games in which we must participate in the other boys and girls. Also keep the body fit. By playing outdoor games, our body will also become fit and develop good camaraderie among peers. Here this is a new word introduced for you, that is camaraderie. Pronunciation is camaraderie. It means increasing a feeling of trust and friendship. While we play team games, so the feeling of the friendship or feeling of trust to others will also increase among the peers. Peers means the same group or the same group children's in which you play those games. Okay, group of the same, our friends we can say. The next thing is that personal hygiene. We also need to care the personal hygiene, means personal cleanliness. The proper hygiene means proper cleanliness must be maintained to prevent infection and remains healthy. We know this thing that if we keep clean, then there will be no infection and we will remain healthy. So first thing is that the sweat and sebaceous gland are more active. The sweat and sebaceous glands are more active at this stage, which can lead to body odor. Taking a bath regularly cleans the skin and prevent bacterial infection. Means the sweat gland and the sebaceous gland are responsible for give the odor to our body. We see after sweating there is a pungent or the dirty smell is come from our body. So what we have to do? We have to clean our body by take bath regularly, cleans our skin, and we could prevent by cleanliness from the bacterial infection also. Second thing is that keeping genital areas clean also keeps the body fit. Means genital areas means the outer areas of our sex organs. We have to keep them. It also prevents our body from the infections and our body keeps fit. The next thing is that clothes and undergarment must be changed every day to avoid infections. Girls should be conscious of their personal hygiene, especially during the menstruation, and must take extra care for cleanliness. They must also keep track of their menstruation cycle. If there is a lot of change, it is not at the proper timing, then concern to the doctor also. So this is the personal hygiene which everyone followed for keeping fit and healthy. Now the next is that problems of adolescence pregnancy. Every day about 20,000 girls under the age of 18 especially in developing countries, give birth to babies. Means especially in the developing country like India, most of the girls, means 20,000 girls in every day, which are under the age of 18, they are not mentally prepared for the giving birth to the babies. At this time, they are not physically or mentally prepared for the pregnancy or to childbirth. When a girl becomes pregnant, her life completely changed. She may not be able to continue her education, and thus her job prospects reduced. Means while he getting married in an early stage, then his education as well as her job status also reduced. She may be pushed to poverty, and consequently her health may suffer. Means it's lead to the poverty, and her health also be suffer due to the early stage of pregnancy. Complications from pregnancy and childbirth are a leading cause of death among adolescent girls. Means it is also be seen that the girls which pregnant at this particular age or before the maturity, most of the cases it's leading to death. Girls who have limited or no access to sexual and reproductive health care, or those forced into child marriage, are more likely to become pregnant. These problems can be avoided by creating awareness about the importance of reproductive health. Means these problems can be solved or avoided by creating awareness. If we know about the reproductive health, means the reproductive organs must be mature before the giving birth to the babies, so it could be solved this problem. That is why the legal age of marriage has been set at 18 for girls and 21 for boys in India. So the government also keeping the legal age for the marriage, that is 18 for the girls and 21 for the boys. Before the age of 18, it will be a crime in India. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.